Hello, and you are more than welcome back to Little Miss Dropstitch. And me and Obi are loving that it's a bit more autumnal now. The suspicious September heatwave is gone. So we have for you another pumpkin pattern. Yo, Obi likes his pumpkins. And this one I designed. Okay, so you can knit anything from this massive chunky doorstop one to, conveniently, the one that Obi likes, the little baby one. Okay, that's in a 4-ply. We've also got a DK, our sport weight, and also an Aran size with American conversions also for doubling up yarn and things like that. So everything's in the pattern that you'll need to make things from big to baby pumpkins. I'm going to have to give one to Obi, I think, at some point. I would absolutely turn that into a doorstop and do kind of like a plastic bag with sanding, something like that. Absolutely. So each pattern is slightly different because you need to do them to different lengths depending what thickness yarn you're using. All the needles and bits and bobs are in there as well. We really hope you enjoy making it. As always, available digitally on Ravelry and Etsy, and also on Etsy there's a printed paper version that I will post worldwide in a nice A5 booklet and nice paper, things like that. Well done, Obi, you got through that. Oh, thank you. I love you too. Go on then. Take care.